I'm going to show you how to silicone seal a kitchen worktop. Okay, we're going to be doing it with lollipop sticks. You could be a DIYer, you could be a tiler or a plumber. Here's what you need: lollipop sticks. Depending on how big your gap is that you're sealing, you need some silicone. I'm using 3C Sealants matte silicone. It's got a matte finish to it, lovely. Tooling spray, you need some tooling spray. I'm using 3C tooling spray. I'm going to be using these wipes as well, 3C wipes. These are alcohol wipes, so it's really good for cleaning the surface. The alcohol evaporates really quickly, so you can just crack on with the sealant soon after. You need a silicone dispenser. I've got the gold skin, you know. You can get a gold one once you've done 100,000 linear meters of silicone. Let's get to it. So I'll take you over here a little bit closer. This is the gap that I'm going to be sealing today. You can see it's not a tiny gap. So I'm going to show you how you set up the gun. Open your silicone dispenser. You're going to need a utility knife as well for this. Open the tube. One little tip. I always like to just get rid of that first little bit on the tube. Just a little bit. Sometimes it can be a bit gunky, and you don't really want the first bit of your bead being all gunky and horrible, do you? Cut your nozzle like this. See that? It's got a very slight angle on it. Before you apply the sealant, you want to get your lollipop stick. I'm going to be using this one, but this one's also going to come in handy as well in a minute. So what I like to do, you could probably do this with some scissors, but I've got these little mitre shears. I like to just take a little snip off the top. So you've got a straight edge there. That's going to make a nice fillet of silicone. And these rounded edges are going to help you when you're taking off the silicone. We're going to do the same with this one. I would recommend giving these a little bit of a spray right now. Get them nice and wet. We're going to start gunning in. Let's start from this end. The good thing about this method is it doesn't have to be really neat. You can just put it on. I'll prove that to you, look. They're all skanky and horrible. You can't really see it, but I'll show a close up in a minute. I'm going to gun in the silicone. Make sure you fill that gap. Pump it in there. And in a second, we're going to spray the sealant and then use our lollipop stick, of your American paddle pop stick, to scrape off the excess layer of the sealant. And that's going to leave you with a really neat bead of silicone. Let's get a little close up on this bit. See that? I'm going to spray it with the sealant solution. And I'm going to use my stick here. Get an empty tube or something to put the excess in when you're scraping it off. We are going to just take off that top layer of the sealant, like that. This is when the big stick comes in handy. You can take off those excess lines on the edge. So I've just done that little bit there. Let's have a look at it close up. Give it a little swipe with your finger. That's what you'll be left with. A nice neat bead of silicone. I'm going to do this section with the chest mount on so you can see it from my perspective. Also going to do this vertical line here. Give it a good spray. Up there as well. Remember to keep your stick wet. Keeping the stick wet stops the solution stops the sealant from sticking to your stick. And scrape off. Use your big one to take off any little tram lines on the sides. Give it a little swipe. Do this vertical. All sealed. A nice clean bead of sealant. Minimal effort, and it looks great. I hope you very much enjoyed the video. Let me know if it actually helped you to learn anything. Just remember, this was a video for DIYs and beginners. I know there's going to be a lot of professionals out there that would disagree with this method, but it's a method that works. Peace out.